Can you say good morning? Good morning. Alright, good morning everybody. So it is Friday, you're Saturday, jeez. This week went by crazy fast, but yet it was like a crazy busy week. I have a few things I need to do, like reading the substitute handbook, the code of ethics, and some other things. Got this little kitty girl. I'm gonna go out and edit and then start my busy day. I think Sam is coming over, not sure what we're gonna get into tonight, so that should be fun. I need to take a shower at some point. Yes, so let's get this day going.
In distress, somehow, some way, the call went out, and some of the folks who served aboard the ship came back. Seize the journey, friend.
The smoothest chocolate in all the world. The Lindor Truffle. Only from the Lindt Master Chocolatier. Master of the irresistible. A man with the power to make any woman melt. Chocolate on the outside, melting on the inside. Luscious, flavorful, secretly sweet. Have you felt the Lindor melt? Lindt, chocolate beyond compare.
Okay, so can you tell that I'm like really excited for Halloween? I have a mask on and my cape. Can you see my cape? Oh, it was like blowing. I'm flying. Woo! So you can't see it. Oh, it's so cool. I'm so excited for Halloween. No, it's really hard to, hold on, let me see. If I set you here, can you see it better? Oh, so yeah. Ooh. I'm so excited for Halloween. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are for Halloween. As you can tell, I'm Batman. I'm gonna have a shirt. I'd like his logo, and that's about it. I'm just too excited.
The beam-emitter flashlight was shining straight in the figure and illuminating the furnace behind the figure.
Since that initial encounter, the Victorian Phantom has been spotted numerous times. But one employee had a particularly frightening brush with the lady.
What happened here is just unbelievable. I think they're just here, they want their stories told.
Is there energy out there? Oh, yes. Now, what is energy? I can't tell you what that is. I don't know what that is.
But it wasn't always one of America's most phantom-infested homes. Master woodworker Johann Lotz built it in 1855 to demonstrate his great skills as a craftsman. And Lotz House is indeed an architectural gem. On the morning of November 30th, 1864, Johann Lotz and his family were terrified to find their home in the crosshairs of the Civil War. The Union and Confederate armies converged on their front door, poised for battle.
On the morning of November 30th, it was stated out the battle of hell.
Each side had marshaled 27,000 men ready to attack. So the Lotz family sought refuge in a neighbor's basement.
Okay, so I'm making dinner. We have pork chops in the oven, and I normally spill. So a few days ago, my mom got me an apron, little pockets. It's just a little thing so I don't get all my clothing dirty. I have clothing that has stains on it from cooking, so now I'm gonna make some pasta. Quick and simple. So let's get doing that. Well, that was a fail. We need a half cup of milk, and we don't have any more milk. I used it all today. So now I'm gonna clean this and just get Adam up, and Mom's gonna bring some milk home. But we have there's mashed potatoes there and some other random sides that we've had from throughout the week that other people can eat until we get milk and can make that noodle stuff. So I'm gonna clean the dishes. Alright everybody, it is time to go to bed. Again, I'm exhausted. I'm just so ready to go to sleep. So Sam came over. I didn't film because we went out to Walmart. Oh, Zoey's dumb. We went to Walmart to buy some baby diapers because we have a baby shower tomorrow for one of our friends who's having a little baby boy. So we're going to go do that tomorrow. And then we just went out and hung out and, yeah, didn't really feel like filming because it was a loud bar. So, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to get to going to bed, but I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Hopefully you had a great morning, evening, noon, night, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. I will see you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye. Say good night. Bye.